Okay, and what is that?
67.
67? Okay, and so we can very easily figure out that that angle is 67 degrees. Okay, number 3, we start getting a little more complex, so we have to write them out, okay? So we got 9x plus 129 plus 24 equals what?
180.
180, okay? Because all triangles equal 180. Okay, and then we're going to combine all the ones that we can. Who can get put together? 129 and 24. What is 129 plus 24? 153. Okay. And then what?
Minus 180.
Minus 153 on both sides. So we're going to get 9x equals, what is 180 minus 153?
27.
27.
And then we divide by 9.
And then we're going to divide by 9.
3.
Okay, number 5 is the exact same way. Okay, you're going to write all of the inside in a straight line. So 66 plus 70 plus 11x equals 180. Okay, who can get put together?
So
66 and 70. What is 66 plus 70?
136.
136 plus 11x equals 180. Okay, and then we're going to minus 136 from both sides.
44.
So we get 11x. What is 180 minus 136?
44.
44.
Then we divide by 11. It's 4.
Okay, and then yes, we are going to divide by 11. So we get x equals 4. Okay, and so this is everything that we did yesterday. Okay, 1 through 6 is everything that we did yesterday. Nothing new is on that part as far as that goes. Okay, the rest is the new stuff. Okay, it's not drastically new. So you're still going to do all of this. Okay, and then there's an additional step. So definitely make sure that you leave yourself some room to write. So we're going to start out by writing everything in a straight line. So we got x plus 45 plus x plus 65 plus 90 equals 180. Okay, so I'm going to start out by writing everything out in a straight line. Okay, that's on the inside of the triangle. And then from there, we're going to combine. And who can get put together?
45 and 65.
45, 65, and 90.
Wait, 9 doesn't have a number though. 9 doesn't have an X.
Yeah, but it can still go with them. Okay, and so what is that going to be? 200. So we get 200. And then we can also combine this x and this x. What is 1x plus 1x? 2x. Okay, and so this is what we're working with at this point. Okay, you can combine all the x's together and all the numbers together. Okay, and then what? If we're looking at that problem, what needs done then? Minus 200. Okay, so I'm going to get 2x equals
Negative 20.
negative 20. Okay, and then what? Divide by 2. So we get x equals negative 10. Okay, so this is what we did yesterday, but it's not done. Okay, so if we look at it, what does the instruction say to do?
Find angle A.
Find angle A, okay? What is angle A? If you're looking at the picture, what's angle A?
Top.
The top one, which is x plus 45. Okay, so, but now we know our x. What is the x value?
-10.
Negative 10. So it's really going to be negative 10 plus 45. Okay, and what is negative 10 plus 45? Oops. 35. Okay, and so angle A, which is what we were supposed to find, is 35. Okay, so that is our actual answer, not the negative 10. Okay, 35 is our answer. Okay, what I can tell you is when you plug back in, you should never get a negative number.
What if I do 35 again?
Because it says find angle A,
Yeah.
so that's x plus 45. But we know that the x is negative 10, so negative 10 plus 45 is 35. Okay, now, you can get a negative for the x equals part, okay? You cannot get a negative for the second part because that's degrees. No different than number 1 and 2, you cannot get a negative because the triangle for each angle has to be positive. It's like length, okay? You can't have a negative length, okay? Money, you can have a negative, right? You can owe people money, but as far as degrees go, so like number 1 and 2, you cannot have a negative. But number 3, 4, 5, and 6, you can have a negative because it says x equals, okay? The rest, again, we're talking degrees after we plug back in, you cannot have a negative, okay? You can for the x, but not the final answer. Okay, flip your page. Okay, number 9, we're gonna write them all out. Okay, so I got 53 plus x plus 56 plus 81 equals 180. Okay, so I can combine the two x's, so x plus x is going to be 2x. And then I can combine the 53, the 56, and the 81. What is 53 plus 56 plus 81? 190. Okay, so we're going to get 2x plus 190 equals 180. Okay, and then what? Minus 190 from both sides. Okay, so I'm going to get 2x equals negative 10. And then we're going to divide by 2. So we get x equals negative 5. Okay, the instructions are the same for all of these. All of them say find angle A. Okay, so which one is angle A? The 53 plus x. Okay, so it's really going to be 53 plus what?
Plus -5.
Negative 5. So what is 53 plus negative 5? Because that's what we found. Huh? 41? 48?
48, yeah.
Okay, this one we're going to try to not skip a step, but I want some of you guys to be able to like save yourself some room. Okay, look at the inside of the triangle. Okay, without writing anything out, we're gonna put the x's together. How many x's do you have?
3.
There's gonna be 3 total, but yes, I see the 2. So 2x plus 1x, what is that gonna give you?
3x.
Yeah, so right here and here is gonna be 3x. Okay, and then we can combine the 80, the 50, and the 50. What is 80 plus 50 plus 50? 180. Okay, so we're gonna get 180. So plus 180 equals what? What does it always equal to?
180.
180.
So we don't have to write it all out.
No, so like if you can figure some stuff out and save yourself some steps, save yourself some steps. Okay, and then what needs done?
Subtract.
Minus 180 from both sides. So we get 3x equals 0. And then what? Divide by 3. So we get x equals 0. Okay, and then find angle A. Which one is angle A?
2x plus 50.
2x plus 50. Okay, so it's really going to look like, if you were to do it on your calculator, it's going to look like 2 parentheses 0 plus 50. Okay, so 2 times 0
0,
is 0 plus 50
50.
is 50. Okay, so my answer is going to be 50 degrees. Okay, so if that is confusing to you and you're like, I don't get it, then write it all out. It's okay. You can do the extra step. It's not going to kill you. Okay, but if you can save yourself some work, then save yourself some work too. Okay, so if we're looking at 13, we're going to combine the x's. So what am I going to get for the x's?
2x.
2x. So 1x plus 1x, we're going to get 2x. Okay, and then I can combine the numbers 59, 57, and 74. What is that?
190.
190 equals what?
180.
180. Always, always. Okay, we're going to subtract 190 from both sides. So we got 2x equals negative 10. And then we're going to divide by 2. So we get x equals negative 5.
54.
Okay, and then we're going to plug that into A. Which one is A?
X plus 59.
X plus 59. So really on your calculator, what would you be typing?
-5.
Negative 5 plus 59, which is what?
54.
54? Am I agree?
Yep, 54.
Okay, last one, 15. We can combine the x's. What are you going to get for your x's total? 2x, good. So for the x's, we're going to get 2x. What about the numbers? We get 44 plus 70 plus 80. 194 equals 180. Okay, I'm going to subtract 194 from both sides. So I got 2x equals, what is 180 minus 194?
14. -14.
Negative 14. And then divide by 2. Okay, negative 7. And then we're going to plug that into what? Plus 44. So negative 7 plus 44?
37.
37. Somebody agree?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys have 8 to do. Go through and get your 8 done, and then you'll be done for today.